Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you several simple methods to fix slow boot times after installing the Windows 11 update. First, open the control panel and go to Power Options. Click Choose what the power buttons do, then select Change Settings that are currently unavailable. Here, locate the Turn on Fast Startup option. If it is enabled, disable it and save the changes. If it is already disabled, enable it instead. Restart your PC afterward and check if the startup time has improved. Next, reduce the number of programs that launch when Windows starts. Right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager, then go to the Startup Apps tab. Disable any non-essential applications that you do not need running automatically. This can reduce the amount of time Windows needs to finish loading. After that, check for the latest updates. Open Settings. Select Windows Update and click Check for updates. Install any available cumulative updates or optional driver updates, as these often include fixes for hardware compatibility and startup performance after major Windows updates. Finally, repair any damaged Windows system files. Open Command Prompt as an administrator, type sfc/scano and press Enter. Wait for the scan to finish. If Windows finds any corrupted files, it will automatically repair them. Once the process is complete, restart your computer and see if the boot time has improved. Thanks for watching.